calls of rooster and shotgun blasts will echo across the Minnesota prairie this pheasant hunting season. In Madelia, the pheasant capital of Minnesota, hunters on foot and in wheelchairs will rustle through tall grass, while media cameras buzz and beep as reporters cover the Minnesota governor's pheasant hunting opener, and cash registers will ring. Madelia makes an ideal pheasant capital with a nearby pheasant research facility and several public hunting lands surrounding this small town in central Minnesota. More than 30 acres of new hunting land makes for a good story. Once the site of old sewage treatment ponds, this area is now for wildlife, waterfowl, and hunters. With this project, the town bags several benefits for its 2,300 residents and the surrounding area.
In our opinion, it was the most cost-effective way to handle the situation, and it's, well, as you can see, it's a good wildlife habitat. It was a win-win, we felt. It was a win for everybody, for the environment, for the community, for the taxpayers, for the wildlife. It seems like the right thing to do at this point.
Madelia lies along the Watonwan River. In 1993, the town upgraded its wastewater treatment system. While this was good for the river and downstream waters, it left 3 ponds in need of cleanup. This is where biosolids settled out of the wastewater.
The handling of biosolids is a concern because they have a lot of nutrients in them and certain pollutants that we regulate and monitor for, and there also may be pathogens in biosolids.
The small town was facing a big price tag of $2 million to clean out the ponds the typical way. That would have meant hiring an engineering firm to oversee dredging the water and biosolids from the bottom and hauling the material away for appropriate disposal. But Madelia set its sights on different targets. The city council thought it was important to save money and hire local firms to do the work. Meeting state rules and avoiding fines were also priorities. Looking long-term, the council wanted to retain control of the land in case it's ever needed for expansion purposes. As the pheasant capital of Minnesota, the town thought the site would be ideal for hunting.
So in the process of decommissioning these ponds, we wanted to find something that would be of use to the community. We wanted something to promote habitat, wildlife, provide a place for people in our community, in our region to go, and try to use an asset that we had in more than just the typical way. Well, we are the pheasant capital of Minnesota, so it was an easy fit for us.
This season, the town will really hit the target with hosting non-traditional hunters and the Minnesota governor's pheasant hunting opener.
And we're absolutely ecstatic. We're honored to have the wounded warriors and capable partners coming down to hunt our ponds this year.
With almost 400 wastewater treatment ponds across Minnesota, the Madelia project serves as a good example of how towns can turn a potential liability into a benefit. The project had a net cost of $850,000, less than half of the original estimate, which the town raised through wastewater fees. For other communities with ponds to clean up, Madelia recommends taking careful aim.
I guess my advice would be look at what needs or interests your city has and see if there's a way to leverage interests in your community with the land that's available in a decommissioned pond. Whether it's a walking path or a biking path or a recreation area or hunting land. It's a special opportunity to be able to work with land like this for the benefit of the community.